Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to transfer files from OneDrive to another OneDrive. So, let's dive right in. Sign in to your source OneDrive account. This is the account that contains the files you want to move. Navigate to the files or folders you want to transfer. You can use the search bar or browse through your folders to locate the specific files or folders you need. Select the files or folders you want to transfer. You can click on individual files to select them, or use the checkbox next to the folder name to select all the files within a folder. Click the Share button. This button is usually located in the top toolbar or by right-clicking on the selected files' checked folders. Enter the email address of your destination OneDrive account. This is the account where you want to copy the files to. Choose Can Edit Permissions for full access. This ensures that the files you transfer will be editable in your destination OneDrive account. Click Copy Link. This will create a link that you can use to access the shared files in your destination account. Log in to your destination OneDrive account. Paste the link you copied earlier into your browser. Click on the folder you want the files to be added to. Click Add to My OneDrive. The files will be copied from your source account to the chosen folder in your destination account. This might take some time depending on the file size and internet speed. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.